In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a subscription product on Gumroad. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. Then sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. After logging in, go to the Products section in the left sidebar and click New Product in the top right corner. Now select Membership because Gumroad uses membership products for subscriptions and recurring payments. Next, enter your subscription name. Try to make it clear and attractive so people instantly understand what they're subscribing to. For example, you could use names like Monthly Design Resources, Premium Creator Club, or Exclusive Tutorials Membership. After that, set your recurring pricing. You can choose billing periods such as monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, yearly, or every 2 years. You can also choose your preferred currency before continuing. Once you finish setting the price, click Next and Customize. Now you can customize your subscription page. Start by writing a detailed description explaining what subscribers will receive, how often content is updated, and the benefits of joining your membership. Next, upload your cover image and thumbnail. A professional cover image helps your subscription page look more trustworthy and attractive. After that, go to the Content section where you can upload subscriber-only content such as PDFs, videos, audio files, images, downloads, newsletters, and exclusive updates. You can also enable drip content if you want to release materials gradually over time instead of giving subscribers instant access to everything. Before publishing, double-check all important sections including the title, pricing, description, uploaded content, and branding visuals. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue. Finally, click Publish to make your subscription product live. Gumroad will generate a unique product link that you can share with potential subscribers. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.